People, me and one boy, we're afraid of Jamaica and live here.
Guys, welcome back to another video. It's a girl Kissy Unstoppable. So today guys, I'm gonna share this video of this young man and he's speaking facts. He might telling us say if you stay foreign and not come to Jamaica, because you come to Jamaica and you can lose your life. It's really bad. Like you live overseas, you work hard in a snow years, you spend 30 years, 40 years of foreign, and you want to go back home to retire and you're scared. People want to go home on vacation and them scared. Them rather go to one different country where them know them safe. So it's really bad. It's really bad and it don't look good. It doesn't look good. And even he's talking about this young man, his mom came from overseas and this young man went and robbed his own mother. His own mother and went and robbed, you know. His mother will birth him. So tell me now who you can trust. You can't trust your own. It's really good on tourism. Me not say other country no have killing and all them something there, no. Me not say other country no have killing and all them something, but it's too much in Jamaica now. It's too much. So guys, I'm going to show you all the video. So guys, before I take you over, remember to like, share and comment. And don't forget to put on your post notifications so you know each time I upload a video. Let's go over and watch the video. You know, it's sad.
Afraid of Jamaica, no fuck. The people that live are foreign. Stand up in a snow. Have on a 2 job. Work on the hard working money. The Jamaica one left 20 years ago. I don't hate this now. Everywhere all over the world. Travel go to New York, Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, Manhattan. Lord God. Gunshot, skip and dally and go through everything. I go to England, I go through the hills and valley, Brixton, this, that. Go through jungle, me and Willie, I got them spar. Me and this, I'm on a spar. Me and Labour Rights spar. Me and Ream and Tivoli man spar. People. The people that live are foreign. We get up 4 o'clock a morning time. 5 o'clock. Stand up at bus stop. Stand up in a snow. Have on a 2 job. Seen? And get up and wait for bus to catch bus to go to work. Work on the hard working money. You see the Jamaica one left 20 years ago. I don't hate this now. People, me and one boy, we're afraid of Jamaica and live here. Afraid of Jamaica, no fuck. Jesus Christ. Me say the young people and then wicked. Hey, I'm going to incident. Let me tell you something what happened already. A woman, I come from foreign, she's going to spend 15 years of foreign. Right? Well, I know. And she beg her son come pick her up and her daughter. Her son and daughter and her baby father. That are the pity them papa. People. It's when she reach and the son pick her up and drop her off at Portmore. Me never did it, but me about 5 hours from the house. Alright. Anyway, the son pick her up and the father and the family pick her up and she in the house. She give the son one 2 bills, 200 US and say, we're going to enjoy life and thing. Alright. Well, I know. Jamaican people, let me tell you this. Now the night now, the woman in there now, in the house. Rascal. A man put on a hoodie with 2 yai and running from the woman. The same day she come. Jamaican people. Anyway, the woman fight the gunman and the son. No, the woman fight the gunman and the daughter and the father run come in the house and them hold on the gunman and hold him and the father take the gun, bam and shoot him. Kill him. Alright. After them shoot him, kill him now. Me here, and me go down at the house because I see people run to the house. I back up my ratchet knife when I go down, when I reach at the gate. And thing. People. So I reach at the house. And I see the father goes up, bam and grab off the gunman master off his bed because them kill him and they take the gun and kill him, you know. You know who? The woman's son. The woman will come pick her up at the woman with the son come pick her up at airport. And him coming in the night. I try to rob his mother. And them overpower him and take the gun and kill him blood clot. The mama when they grab up the master, she says she faint immediately. And I Portmore it up. Faint immediately. That's how wicked them generation is now. See me I tell you now? So people, nobody force you to come down to Jamaica. Them are nowadays spitting here. We ban it like little bit of the night. Yo, the Jamaica want to, hold on there. I want to talk about, man, people. Jamaica is one of the wickedest. Hey, he said me never live a foreign. I talk something like a footer hype. If we never live a foreign like footer hype, I talk something you see. People, it's what Admiral Bailey say. If you hang them and Ray, I agree with him 1000%. People, the gunman them at Jamaica, them, hey, I told you on way now. So, no make nobody force enough come down here. Jamaica no good again. Jesus Christ. Anyway, I'm going to do another video. I'll put up that one here now. Admiral Bailey, I agree with you 100%. Gunman drop up a stadium and take away my car when me buy for $2 million you know, undercard, you know. In 2001, you know. And when the boy drop me and take away my car, you know, the boy put him foot beside my one and said, "Pussy, take off your shoes." Now teach one girl to drive up a stadium. I said, me and him are the same side. I have a sneakers mark 4, 5, 6 and I just bring from New York. Yeah man, boy, I said, pussy, take and point the gun in my face. Just give me it. I see it there. But they alright now, they alright. Do the thing and I hear the king and me there and I go and go through. People, I have never been afraid of Jamaica in my life. I talk to Ori a while from Stone Love and Ori said never covered Senala. And people, I'm afraid of Jamaica, I'm afraid of down here, I'm afraid of down here. What the blood clot to not come down here for? One want down here. Them are wicked. You left some family at Jamaica 10, 20 years ago and left them down here. Them tell them friends say, my auntie come from foreign, she rich, and my cousin come from foreign, him rich, him have money in her. Already done life, them want down here, ready done life. Nobody now want blood clot work no more. Them young people that want already done life. And let me tell you something. The youth them we are scam and not drive Mark 2 and Mark this and Mark that. How do them make a scam in? You think of them alone a scam? How with the blood clot, oh no? The bigger heads them do some blood clot scam and you can't believe it. I try can't talk certain thing I don't want them say no young boy come kill me. I want to no. People remember them take Africa from away, you know. And take over gold, raining young with diamond, rubies. You understand? Them take all them stuff there from away. Then if we are back look food back from them, nothing wrong with that blood clot. Them take Africa from away. And let me tell you this, blood clot. Are we for rich? We black people for rich. And white people are blood clot suffer. I want to rap with it. Are we for rich? Alive boys? Boys, are we for rich? And white people are blood clot suffer. When you can't stay there. I not take no vaccine, you know, so I not go back on no farm. I can't stay here. You know, see all the white people them now. You know what them do now? I build bunker and live underneath the earth. Because them know the fuck we go on. People, in a 2023, the 24, when I go see people start walk and drop. Heart attack. Would I say something? I mean, not take none. And when Big Gears get on him blood clot in computer. When Billy Gears get on him computer and press blood clot. Strokes. Heart attack. And cripple. And people stay so. Fuck. Turning a zombie. You can't stay there. Don't do you know, you know. The only thing I hear the king with their Soundwave studio. Lord of mercy. I'm going to DJ the tune for you know. That one and him, that one and him, that one and him. That one and him, that one and him foreigner. But Jamaica harder. Do me auntie, me I beg you $1,000 foreigner. But Jamaica harder. Me want run away, one buy one visa foreigner. But Jamaica harder. Do me auntie, me I beg you $2 foreigner. But Jamaica harder. See that now, me want buy one visa. They got the people them who live in America, who live in Europe, England and Canada. Make no money before you come back down here. At a matter of fact, when you come back here, no more enjoyment, no there. And your oldness, we are the Prime Minister. Say dance feel like 12 o'clock about here. And now get up people going double suffer. Gunman take over the whole Jamaica. Gunman outnumber police and soldier. When rain fall, that be a disaster. Be a traffic jam from Cribis to corner. The country flood out with stagnant water. The drain them is clean. The drain them for clean, but there is no cleaner. Now this is Sqidley Rankin round the mic center. The lyrics from my mouth is like a bushman. Foreigner, but Jamaica harder. Do me auntie, me I beg you $1,000 foreigner. But Jamaica harder. I want the money they figure buy a visa foreigner. But Jamaica harder. When me run, when me not come back down your foreigner. But Jamaica harder. Bomb buckler. Say God thank him. Big up on yourself. Peace.